Hi, welcome to the Crafts channel. My name's Corinne Bradd and I've got a quick short video for you today to show you how easy it is to make a mini envelope that's perfect for popping inside larger album projects, to store photos, tickets, other bits of ephemera, and you can make them any size you like. So take a piece of card. This piece of card is 15 centimetres by 26.5 centimetres, which is a really random size, but there you go. If you score down your long edge by about 1 centimetre, and you score down both long edges, and then fold them in and crease them well. And then you want to bring your card up to leave yourself a flap on there, which is probably about 1/3, just over 1/3 of the depth of the whole envelope. And before you go any further, just put yourself a score line at the top of that front pocket. So unfold all your scores. Start by cutting a mitre at the central intersection and then cut away that bottom strip. And then just below the score line for your flap, again you want to mitre it and cut away the score. Grab yourself a bit of glue. Oh, before you grab yourself a bit of glue, what you can always do is, if you want to make sure you can get things out of the envelope easily, if you flip your card over and put it on a gridded cutting mat, line it up on a gridded cutting mat so you can see where you're going, and then grab yourself a circle die. In fact, I need to do this the other way because for some reason I forgot I was left-handed then. Ooh. Grab yourself a circle die, hold it in place and hold it firmly, and make sure your fingers aren't over the edge of it, because you're going to cut around the die. If you're in any doubt about whether you can do it like this, just draw around it and cut it with a pair of scissors, because I don't want you slicing the tops of your fingers off. Makes it very difficult to hold a ruler if you do that. So you've now got a thumb hole, as it were. Pop a bit of glue, if you can get your glue to come out, down the edges of these strips. I'm just going to spread that glue out a little bit with a little paper spreader. And I've done that so that when I do press down hard on it, I don't get glue oozing out into the centre of the envelope and potentially gluing your envelope closed. So there's your envelope, and then you've got your flap here. Rather than leaving the ends of the flap as points, which can get dog-eared quite easily, just grab that die again and round off your edges. And then if you want to ensure that your envelope stays closed, you can grab yourself some of these self-adhesive Velcro spots. Pop one in the middle of the front, and for perfect positioning, take the other half and pop it on top before you then close your flap. So it fits perfectly. As I say, you can make these any size, any orientation that you like. And it's a great way of using up all those random scraps of paper that you don't know what else to do with. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.